Hello guys, this is Joseph Asanganen from ForexKits Academy. ForexKits Academy is a one-stop solution for your trading. Okay, all we do here is we teach you, we mentor, we track your progress to ensure you're on the right path. We give you signals while you're learning to make sure that you're earning while you're learning as well. Okay, so we care about your trading journey. So if that's something that interests you, what you do is send us a message through the link in the description below. Okay, declare your interest and we'll add it to our free group and you can start learning immediately. Okay, so this is our YouTube channel. Yeah, if you like this video, you love the content, please make sure that you like and subscribe. Okay, we'd really appreciate that. So what we are doing today is we are giving you an overview of the Mt4 platform. Mt4, known as MetaTrader 4, is a tool that helps traders, helps us to trade, execute our trades and connects us with the broker and all of that. So I'm just going to do a quick overview. Already for our students, we have videos that explain every single thing, but this is just for people that are getting used to the platform, so you don't have to tour by yourself, and get to understand how everything works, by trying, so we just speed up the whole process for you by just going through everything. So it's just a sharp overview. I just hope it's not a long video at the end of the day. Okay, so we have, I'd like you to look at this part here, the bottom, this part here. We have the quotes area, we have the charts area, we have trades, that's for your ongoing trades, we have the history, we have the news, and we have the messages. Okay, so I'll explain how everything works, but I just want you to have that. And if you can't go to those different windows from here, you can do that from the menu button up here. This is the menu button up here. Okay, you can do that from the menu button up there. So once you click on it, you have the quotes, the charts, the trade, the history, mailbox, and everything on there, just like I showed you a little before now. Okay, but I'll show you how everything works in a jiffy, so just hang on. Okay, so on the quotes area, we have all the currency pairs. Currency pairs are quoted together, different currencies, different countries. Okay, so Euro, USD, GBP, USD, AUD, CAD, and all of that. So you have the bid and the ask price here too as well. But yeah, to add a new currency pair, what you do is you click on this plus button right here, this addition button here. So once you click on that, if it's a real account, which I believe you're not using right now, you're supposed to use a demo to practice, at least for now. If it's a real account, you have more options, maybe indices, commodities, metals, and all of that. But right now, what you have here is Forex. Okay, so what you do is you click on Forex. You now have a list of currency pairs, so you can click on any of these currency pairs that you want to add to your main chart. Why you have to add them? So that you can trade them, so that you can check the chart, so that you can analyze your trades. Okay, so let's say I want to add Euro GBP. It's right here. All I have to do is just click on Euro GBP, and once I do that, it appears on the home page. This is now Euro GBP. So whatsoever you add comes at the bottom, so whatever you had before then will be on top of it, so it comes at the bottom. So that's Euro GBP. And I think that's about all for this window. So to go to the next window, which is the trades window, that's the charts window, you either go through here or you go through the menu area. Once you go to the menu area, click charts. Okay, so I'll click on charts, and this is where you have everything, the chart for the currency pair you are currently looking at. Okay, this is AUD USD, as you can see up here. This is the chart area, the main chart area, and this is the indicator area. So you can also display your indicators on the main chart area, but some people like to have it on this other area. So we have the ATR here, we have other indicators like the Bollinger Bands, moving averages, and all of that. You use your indicators based on how it works for you. Okay, so this is it. You have operations up here. I'm going to show you the ones that you need right now, at least you need to understand. So for market executions, you use the one at the end here, this one that looks like a file with a plus sign. So once you click on that, you have the instant execution showing up here. You have the instant execution showing up here. You have your lot size up here. You have your prices here, your bid and ask price. You have the current market's price, the bid and ask price is also showing up here. So you have the sell and buy option for your instant execution. So if you want to sell, you click on sell. If you want to buy, you click on buy. Okay, so let me see if I can drag this out of here. Okay, it's still there. So let's say I want to place a trade right now. So I place a trade. This is AUD USD, so I'll place a buy trade. That will now take us to the next window. Network. Do you also do this accept? Yeah, so we have that open already. It now shows up on the trade panel. Okay, the trade we just opened now shows up on the trade panel. This is it now. AUD USD buy, lot size 0.05, and we have all these balance operations here, your balance, your equity, your margin. Once again, if you are a student, you'd understand how every single one of these things work, exactly what it means, and how it applies to you as a trader. But if you do not understand that, there's no problem. We are here to teach you that. So all you have to do is just go through the link in our description. You send us a message and we'll hook you up immediately. Okay, so that's for the trades area. We now have the history area. So for every single operation you've done on the Mt4 platform, so you can go to the history area through this button here, or once again through the menu. Once you go to the menu, you click on history here. Okay, so I'll skip that part now. So whatever thing you've done, let's imagine I come here and close this trade. So I hold it for a long time, click on close, and click on close with loss. Sadly, it's a loss trade. It happens sometimes. Yeah, but when you come here, you have the trade I just closed now, AUD USD. It's right here. So you have all your operations. I just opened this demo account today, so you can see $100,000. That's a whole lot of money. I closed the trade on USD card. It's a demo account, by the way, like I told you guys earlier. So the trade we just closed showed up here. So you have your profit, you have your deposit, and you have your balance right here. So profit, deposit, and your balance. So you can know what is going on with your account, you know, the progress. If you are in a loss, if you are in a profit, you can know how to schedule your next trades from here. Okay, then you can from here too, you can use this calendar icon showing up here. You can use this to decide the range, that's the date range of your trades or your history trade operations. You want to go back to trades you took 4 months ago, you want to go back to trades you took 1 week ago, you can just come there, or you can even look at the trades you took yesterday. Okay, you go to that calendar icon there, then you can sort your trades here too. You sort your trades in ascending order, in profits and in losses, you know, however you want. So if I click on that right now, you can sort it through opening time, through profit. So you see that the trades that we lost came up first. The trades we lost came up first, and the ones we are in profit are right here. Okay, for the other option I told you about, the calendar option up here, I'd use that, but I just opened this demo account, but I'll just show you how it is. So once you click on it, you have trades you've taken today, trades you took last week, last month, last 3 months, and if you want to check for a certain date that is not listed here, you know, for you, you can click on custom period. So once you click on custom period, you can now select the date. November. You can go as far back as years back, you know, as long as that account, your the account with your broker or the demo account you have was open during that period and you had an execution, you know, you opened the trade, either it was instant or you set a buy stop, you know, whatever market execution you did, it will show up there. Okay, but yeah, this is for the custom one. Okay, so you select from when you want to see it and when you want it to stop, from when it started. So if it's like a week, you select from the first day to the 7th day. Okay, we now have the news area. This is the news area right here. This is the news tab. It's the 5th tab, the one I just opened here. My brush tool is messing up. Yeah, this is the news tab right there. You can also access it once again through the menu. So once you click on the menu, you can go to news right here, but I don't really use the news area. It's just Mt4 giving you the latest updates, you know, on trades and everything, and on the progress of the application as well. Same thing with the message tab right here. On the message tab, it's the same thing. They can give you information on the updates on the application, what changes you need to make. Yeah, that's that for that particular area. I think those are the basic tools for Mt4. You also have the trader community, trading applications, which will require you to log into your MetaTrader account. You have the settings. So I'll go into settings in a very short while. So I'll click on settings right now. On the settings, you can now decide how you want your chart to appear. If it's going to be a dark window with black colors, and decide the color of your candlesticks, or it's going to be a white window, however you want it. You can decide to change your notifications. If you want there to be, you want it to be a sound, you know, when you place an order, you can this is the order sounds. So if you want it there to be a sound when you place an order for a buy or sell, you can put that on or you can put that off, and there's a whole lot of other options right here. Just feel free to explore it, whatever works for you, just set it right there. This is the part for your colors, so you have the color options right here, so you can set the colors you want. But I just like to keep it simple. This is not what gives you money. The knowledge gives you money, and ForexKits Academy gives you money. Okay, so all you have to do is just join us. We have more videos that explain the MT4 platform. Every single operation that is done on here teaches you how to trade. We have some of them on our YouTube channel for free, and we have some for our students. So if you are interested, send us a message immediately, either through the link in the description or just drop a comment and we'll follow up from there. Okay, I do wish you a safe trading journey. Have a good day, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like the video. Thanks, guys.